Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You'll have to excuse the air conditioning. I didn't turn it off, nor am I going to because it's hot. But today's video, I think a lot of you will enjoy. One of the top requests, I'm just chilling with my arm on the chair. Try to be more professional. One of the top requests I get on my channel is more food videos, more recipes, Weight Watcher stuff, all that kind of stuff. I am trying to be better about the Weight Watchers. It is hard in quarantine, but we are trying to be better. So here is a week full of dinners, and by a week I mean 5 because I didn't do 7 days. A business week full of dinners. But these are just recipes that we have been doing a ton. I think there's one where we, my dog is scratching below me. Stop it. There's one where we Bradley improvise. We're just kind of taking you along on some of our favorite things to eat. Most of this stuff is pretty much what we always have on hand. So hopefully you have some of this stuff on hand as well. And if anything, it's just inspiration. I know we're all sick of eating at home, sick of our recipes. So I wanted to share some dinner ideas. So let's go ahead and get into the dinners. All right, so for tonight's dinner, we are having Giada's recipe of rigatoni vegetable bolognese. I've talked about this before, but this is a recipe that we've had at her restaurant in Vegas, and we love it. And I was watching her show one day, and she made it, and I was like, Bradley, we have to try it. So we don't have all the ingredients on hand, but we have most of them. We think we can, make it. So,
makeshift.
Yeah, we can link this recipe down below. Yep. So enjoy a time lapse of veggie bolognese. Okay, so dinner is served. It looks incredible. Thank you, babe.
Yep.
We also have a little side of crescent rolls. At Ralph's, I found little 4-packs of the crescent rolls, and I thought that was amazing. That's perfect for us. But yeah, we're gonna dig in. Looks incredible.
Great.
Thanks, babe. Hello, Ludi. All right, for tonight's dinner, we're having
Stir Friday.
It's not Friday though.
Stir Tuesday.
It's Tuesday. So we have the chicken cut up, mushrooms cut up. We also do like to add these vegetable nests from Trader Joe's. They're delightful, and I like the sauce to put on top. Got the rice going. Oh, almost done.
I like it to sit 10 minutes though after.
We gotta put those in right now. And yeah, we got our wok ready and all that stuff, and we, well, I don't know about Bradley, but I really enjoy this soyaki. I like this stuff a lot, so if you're at Trader Joe's, pick this up, it's really good. So yeah, this is a meal we have a lot. Okay, so here's our final bowls. This is Bradley's, which is prettier with the broccoli and the sesame seeds, which I don't care for either of those. And here's mine. But we do have our vegetable nests. Bradley's portion of the sauce, he likes to dip it. I just pour it all over my thing because it's delightful. So here we go. And again, thanks, honey, for dinner. Okay guys, here's our dinner tonight. Tonight is the NFL draft that we have on, and Bradley has a tradition of grilling out steak whenever there's a draft. But here is what we're having for dinner. Flank steak, one of our faves. We get it at Costco. Bradley.
Bon appetit!
Wow. Oh, Ludi wants some steak. Sit. Good boy. We have flank steak, mashed potatoes. Bradley made me my HelloFresh carrots that I love.
Did you want that?
Salad.
That's okay.
Yeah, we've used up all of our produce. But yeah, bon appetit, babe. Thanks yet again for dinner. Yeah, the potatoes are great.
Much better than last time.
Bon appetit! So tonight we're having pasta. We were gonna have tacos, but we didn't.
I saw something on Twitter about somebody's favorite pasta.
I just tried to dodge the dishes by going down and up.
Dodge the dishes. I saw somebody on Twitter posted their favorite pastas, and I saw that. I had to look up a couple of them, didn't even know what they were. And I was like, you know what? I want pasta. So
Pasta's always fine with me.
I'm making basically penne vodka, but we don't have cream, so maybe a little Greek yogurt and cream cheese.
Sounds good. Alright, here's the finished situation. Okay, Bradley's first bite.
What if I hate it?
Don't mind our messy table. Oh.
It's delicious.
Yay! Gonna dig in. Ooh, let's get a focus of that. So tonight we're having tacos. Ludo tacos.
Oh!
We're gonna grill them up and eat them. Yes, we are! Yes, we are! In actuality, we are having
tacos.
We are having tacos. Chicken, and we had leftover ground turkey. So Bradley whipped that up. Heating up tortillas, and then Bradley is in the middle of making guacamole, which we already showed how to make this. I will link the video up in the corner. I just made my lime crema, which is from HelloFresh. It's basically Greek yogurt, lime juice, water, lime zest, salt and pepper. I like it pretty like runny, but you can make it thicker. That actually might be a little too runny. I need to add some more Greek yogurt, but yeah, just thought I'd check in. The kitchen is a freaking mess. The whole apartment is, honestly. Gotta get our shiz together. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want more food related videos, I have a whole playlist. I can link it up in the corner. But yeah, if you guys want to see this again during quarantine, just let me know. Pretty easy to film. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.